Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today I'm going to show you how I pinch my trailing type begonias. Now we have Santa Barbara here, and we have a San Francisco. I believe that's one. Here's the San Francisco one over here. And as you can see, they grew pretty tall. There's not really too much growth in between them. You can see they're shooting off here, new growth, and you can see down here as well they are. So we're actually going to top these. We're going to pinch them to make them bushy. So this is our main growing tip right here. So what I'm going to do is, you can use like a nail clippers or something. You can see here, I'm just taking this growing tip and I'm just pinching it right out, and it's gone. It's right here in my hand, and I'm going to do the same thing on this one here. And I know they tell you on the websites that you don't have to pinch them, and I grew the Santa Barbara, or no, the San Francisco, sorry about that. I've grown that one for years, and it just never really filled out for me. So I started pinching them one year, and they started filling out really nice for me. They started getting the real nice shape to the plant, more blooms, really bushy. So I definitely recommend pinching them. Now, if you have really long growing tips on your side shoot stems, like if you have 3 sets out, you could pinch your growing tips as well, because I did that on some of my other ones. So I just wanted to show you just real quick how I pinched them and tell you why. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.